Let's read 3-letter CVC words. Today we're reading at family words. Let's sound out each letter. A. T. Let's do it faster this time. A. T. Now let's blend the sounds together. Mat. Mat. Let's sound out each of these letters. H. A. T. Let's do it faster this time. H. A. T. Hat. Hat. Let's do it again with this word. R. A. T. R. A. T. Rat. Rat. Let's see if we can do it again. S. A. T. S. A. T. Sat. Sat. And one more time. P. A. T. P. A. T. Pet. Pet. We did it! Well done!